Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our EPFO Employees Passbook account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your EPFO Employees Passbook account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for login EPFO Employee account. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on the second option, which is from EPFO Employees, and from there you will come up to this page. So EPFO stands for Employees Provident Fund Organization India. So if you want to log into this account, you can just tap on the services option. So after heading over to your services, you just have to tap on the second option, which is for employees. And from there, if you scroll down here, you can find this option, member passbook. So just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you can log into your EPFO Employees Passbook account. So just enter your UAN number, and then after entering your UAN number, you can just enter your account's password and then enter this caption in the third blank. So after entering your details, you can just tap on sign in. But if you're facing a problem in this caption, what you can do is just simply refresh this caption, and after refreshing that caption, you will receive a new one which you can enter. So after entering this caption, now what you can do is just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your EPFO Employees Passbook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.